Good morning. You listen to FloorDaily.net, and I'm Kemp Harr. This morning I have two seasoned veterans in the commercial flooring business. I have Leah Ledoux and Ben Giamichael, co-founders of ARC 180. How you guys doing today?
Doing great, Kemp. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, it's good to talk to you. Why don't you tell our listeners a little bit about who ARC 180 is?
So ARC 180, Ben and I founded ARC 180 in June of 2020. We formulated the company as an independent manufacturers rep company where we're actually working in our territories and supporting really key manufacturers that aligned with us, which was, a really good thing at the time. In 2020, obviously, there was a lot happening, and, we formed and gave birth to ARC 180 at that time. The model went really successful and continues to be successful, but we've actually kind of morphed, and we have more or less another platform that is really taking off that we're super excited about.
Okay. We'll get that in just a minute. A little background. You both work together at NRF Distributors, and that's where this all started. And Leah, you and I have done many interviews because you spent 3 years at StarNet as the business development person, right?
Absolutely. That was such a great experience. I got to meet, a majority of really key accounts throughout the country. I still have friends within StarNet, and really it was just a valuable experience for me overall.
Well, tell us how's business with ARC 180.
Business is going really well. Me and Ben tend to, when things slow down, we tend to go really fast. We're totally immersed in our company and pushing very hard right now. But business overall, I think we're all seeing that the government-funded projects are kind of being staggered out. There's definitely a slowdown there. We are seeing the science and technology and, manufacturing side of project, slight uptick there. I think healthcare is holding, and I think college university work is pretty consistent as well.
All right. So you guys have come together on a private label product offering, and you're calling it Contract 180. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, Contract 180 is it's an octopus arm off of ARC 180, but what it is it's a turnkey commercial portfolio and Main Street market portfolio specifically for the wholesale distribution market. So it really brings a ton of value to traditional distribution on the commercial side. We're really promoting this design to pair campaign. And what the design to pair campaign is we've got this commercial portfolio of hard and soft surface, but it isn't just about product. It's about integrating the distributor within the Contract 180 brand. So all of our marketing collateral obviously is labeled Contract 180, but we're putting our distributor's name on all of our marketing as well. It's this turnkey package. It really brings a ton of value when it comes to commercial space and immediate need for inventory, specifically engineered for the flooring contractor.
All right, so let me summarize. It's a hard surface and soft surface coordinated program of products that you're sourcing. I think most of them are made in the United States, so there's not going to be any tariff issues. And you've put it together, and you've actually designed it to coordinate so that you can go from the hard to soft, and it looks like it was designed by an interior designer, right?
Yeah, I think the other thing that I'd like to add is we work with the distributor as their partner, and we're really helping them sell other things. So with our coordinates, we're obviously coupling this with rubber and rubber base and transitions, and really we're helping them bundle other materials so that they're selling more of what they actually have in stock. So the whole kind of design to pair theory is really taking a different approach with distribution. Also, we say this a lot on our website. We do a lot of training, Kemp, and we feel there's a real void in training today. It just really needs to happen, and these distributors need help.
All right, so you've gotten several distributors lined up. Do you care to share any of that, or is that yet to come?
Yeah, our first big horse is All Surfaces. They're throughout the Midwest of the U.S. They're in 16 states currently, and they've been just a really great partner. We did a lot of consulting with them early on before actually launching the Contract 180 portfolio, and they dove in, with 2 feet. So it's been a great relationship so far. To Leah's point, we've done 7 cities in 8 weeks as far as training is concerned. So we're really involved with making sure that we've all got the same playbook and we can turn this inventory, and bring, real value to the commercial flooring contractor. So it's been very good.
So the product's in stock. What kind of feedback are you getting from your customers, like at All Surfaces? Why do they like it so much?
Yeah, I think what's interesting about this line is it's based on performance and availability, and it's really designed for the commercial contractor, the StarNet or the Fuse contractor that is looking at options every day. All Surfaces is a great partner. They've completely invested in the program so that when we go to market, they're able to service their contractor very quickly within a few days to get them everything that they need. So the focus really is on the commercial contractor, and that's the way we design the line so that it would meet specifications, that it would meet high performance, and that it's a product that they can put into, a hospital, a school, or anywhere else. So it's really developed and designed for the flooring contractor.
You showed it to me at Surfaces, and I couldn't believe how much work you guys had done on the architectural folders. And just give us a little bit more. I mean, it's modular carpet, and it's glue down, thick, resilient flooring primarily, right?
Yeah, so we've got some pretty unique names. 3-letter acronyms is kind of, that's our mantra. So we've got a product called HRT, which is hybrid resilient terrazzo. Essentially LVT on steroids, but it's got a lot of extra enhancements, to Leah's point, based on performance, stability, and high chemical resistance with a really unique look. Today it's 19 SKUs. They're all in inventory. It's a 24-inch platform. We've got a carpet tile that pairs with that called CCT, commercial carpet tile. That's an 18 by 36 platform, super high performance. 2 different aesthetics, one more neutral that can be used in that healthcare, senior living type setting, very neutral on the floor, and then an accent that pairs with it, can both swing healthcare and education. All of the carpet and all of the HRT pair together, can be used singly or obviously can be used together. And then we've got some exciting product in development currently, and we're just about to launch that, but more info to come.
Okay. I appreciate you guys spending the time with us and telling our listeners about it. Again, been talking to Leah Ledoux and Ben Giamichael about their Contract 180 hard and soft coordinated program, and you've been listening to Kemp Harr and FloorDaily.net.